First, go to the freezer and take out your frozen meal. Then place it on the counter. Read the cooking instructions. You will need a knife or a fork. Take out the meal out of the box. For ventilation, you may use the knife to cut a slit or a fork to punch holes. Open the microwave door. Place the meal inside, then close the door. Enter the time listed on the cooking instructions. Then, press the Start button. While you're waiting, take out an oven mitt or a kitchen towel to remove the hot dish out of the microwave. When you hear the beep sound, the food is ready. Carefully place it on the counter. Remove the film that covers the meat. Don't forget to clean up and let the meal stand for about a minute. Next, stir the food to make sure it is cooked entirely. You may want to cut any meat to make sure it is cooked as well. If the meal is cooked to your satisfaction, bring it to the table. Have a seat and enjoy it. And now, a suggestion to increase independent functioning, it is actually the use of adapted utensils. They have a thicker, non-slip handle, and they are sold on Amazon. Go to our website for the link of the adapted utensils and educational materials that reinforce the independent living skills demonstrated in our videos. And last but not least, don't forget to subscribe.